Guys,
What?
there's a cop behind me.
Okay, just relax.
Yeah, that's easy for you to say. You're not the one hauling a truckload of life sentences here.
Make a turn.
Yeah, lose that sucker.
Don't lose him. Just go slow and chill. See if he follows.
Okay.
What's that? What's happening?
Beth? Beth, say something.
I gotta go.
Is there a problem, officer?
Driver's license and registration.
Just give me a minute.
It's one of those.
This your truck?
I borrowed it from a friend who's helping me with a domestic thing.
Am I in trouble here?
First off, you're driving without a license plate.
My friend's a little bit of a mess, too.
What's her name again?
Sorry?
The friend who loaned you the truck.
Oh, it's more of a friend of a friend.
I need you to get out of the car. You got a key to this lock?
Must be one of these. It's weird.
Hashtag time's up.